Hi, this is Joey from PC Campana, and today I'm going to show you how to change out a proximity switch. Proximity switches help the idle wheels calculate footage for wire coming through the corresponding gate. Each puck on the wheel represents 1 foot of wire. A functional proximity switch is essential to correct chemistry in steel making. If the proximity switch isn't working correctly, the chemistry will likely be wrong. Replacing a proximity switch is easy. To perform this task, you'll need an open-end 17mm hand wrench. You'll also need a custom-made 80/1000 gauge, which can be attained from PC Campana Fabrication Services. Before starting, it's important that your wire feeder should be locked out to avoid injury. Let's get started. First, unscrew the cap on the cord set on the end of the proximity switch. After you loosen the jam nut with your 17mm wrench, the old proximity switch should come out easily. Now you're ready to install your new one. First, cycle the idle wheel so that one of the 4 pucks is aligned with the proximity switch slot. Insert the proximity switch, with the receiver end facing the idle wheel. Using your 80/1000 gauge, slide the gauge between the puck and the proximity receiver so they are snug. Then remove the gauge. Tighten down the jam nut with your 17mm wrench to lock it in place. Rotate the proximity switch slightly so the notches on the switch and the cord set align. Then connect both ends. Once the proximity switch is installed, it should illuminate as the idle wheel spins when each puck aligns with the receiver. For more information, visit us online at pccampana.com.